Welcome to EDC 534, part of the Graduate Certificate in Digital Literacy. I'm Renee Hobbs, and I'm your instructor and guide for this fully online graduate level course. In 2021, the topic of digital literacy continues to evolve and change. Educators are struggling with the question of how to prepare people for an unknowable future. We can define literacy as the sharing of meaning through symbols. In daily life, we recognize that people share meaning using a wide variety of creative forms. In a participatory culture, we are readers and writers of the world around us. This semester, we'll be exploring the power of create-to-learn pedagogies. I'll be inviting you to think deeply about your own identity as a digital author. At our class website, you'll be sharing some of the creative work that you produced for this class. At our Pathright Learning Management System, we'll access the readings, the videos, and have the private discussions between the class members. Of course, we'll be exploring the power of Twitter for learning, research, and inquiry. So you can get started this week by reading the syllabus, exploring the platforms we're using this semester, and asking questions. I'm looking forward to learning with you this semester. Thanks for joining our class, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.